Welcome back to another episode of Triple M Fishing. We're fishing Broken Roads today with clients. We've got 4 fish already, 3 Blacktail, 1 galjoen. Stunning windless morning here at Broken Roads, Strandfontein. We hope to get a couple of more fish. I'm going to see if I can get some Moonshine Worm now. Just changed the bait, they went off the red bait now. And let's hope for the best. Yeah, so let's roll on those clips. We'll run now, get the GoPro. It's definitely on. Hallo Simba. Okay, los hom net so. Dis 'n gallie. Gaan ons hom tag, Jannie? Wow. Daar's hy. Good luck, Steffies. Wow, kykie, daar's hy. Sien jy wat doen hy? Daar's hy los. Okay. Loop terug. Stadig. Dis 'n renier, né? Stadig. Hopelijk is dit jou sizer. Daar's hy, stadig. Nou is hom net. Oh, kom maar. Stadig. Dis 'n groot collie. Dis 'n kolster. Jo, mooi collie hoor. Okay, dan net so. Wow. Yes, kyk op boks hierdie ouetjie. Jo, kyk hoe geel is hy. Wow, kyk die geel spots op hom, nee. 2 consecutive casts in a row with this rod. Fish on. Let's see if we can make it 3 in a row. Gaan terug tot daar by die manne. Ek sê nou net 3 in 'n ry, daar's jy aan. Dis manne, kyk julle TV, wat gaan jy aan? Hæ? Wat gaan jy aan? Ja. Kom julle, kom. Wow, nog 'n mooie. Yes, los. Hey, jy's in die kolstert, gaan daai om. Kom weg hierso. Alright, so we got 3 fish in a row, 3 consecutive casts for a near. Unbelievable this morning, beautiful morning, windless morning. I say, fish number 4. Milo, will you put in tube climb? Okay, let's see if I can find some Moonshine Worm here. That's gonna be a bonus. Go for it. Go Moonshinies! Up! Okay, let's see if we got some Moonshine Worm. Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about. Look at this. This is good bait, especially for today. Wow. Ja, wys my wat's daai. Wow. Is dit mooi bloed vir hom. Jo, gaan wys vir mamma op die wal. Ja, gaan mamma met hom. Okay, so just for my international viewers, this is what you call Moonshine Worm. You pump it out of the sand. Really good bait here by us in South Africa for any type of fish basically. Yeah, it's a really good bait. and then we get our white mussels. So you can also dig out of the sand. Just want to open this one up. Okay, so we use the inside of the white mussel as bait. Really good bait here by us. Moonshine worm, black mussel, good baits. I'm going to do a moonshine worm bait presentation. This is a worm I'm using. Really good bait in this area. It's called moonshine worm. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is just get the head off. Then I just rub my worm in some sand just to get grip on the worm. Sometimes it's really difficult to get these worms on onto a small circle hook. Okay, so then you just work it through slowly. Just take your time. So the sand basically helps to get grip on the worm. And here I've got moonshine on a 1/0 circle hook. All the way through, just feed it through and leave the last part. So I'm just going to rinse this. There we go. Got the moonshine worm on the 1/0 hook. Okay, so another bait that you can do, a combo bait, just take your white mussel. Okay, so what I do is I just take that piece, the front piece off. I don't like to use that. And I tear my mussel open. Okay, look here. So it exposes all the flavor. Okay. Then what I do is I'm going to add it over the moonshine worm. So I'm just going to take the hook through the bottom. Over the worm. Just take my bait cotton. Just tie down. Okay, there we go. There's your moonshine worm and white mussel combination, bait combination. Really good bait. Yo, on the moonshine and white mussel bait presentation that I've just made. Unbelievable. Could be a blacktail or galjoen. Just gonna walk it out. This bait wasn't even in the water for 2 minutes and I went on. Ah, it's a small, what's this? Small blacktail? Maybe? Small galjoen. Ah, kom julle. Ja, it's a blacktail. Smile eens maar. Moonshine worm. Beautiful moonshine worm. Hey, lekker. Die water is koud nie. Ja, wat is dit nou lekker? Hier vir die rotse, nee. Waar? Als rotse aan daai kant, Mia. Stap agter my, kom stap agter my.
Ek gaan swem agter jou.
Lekker. Beautiful winter's morning here at Strandfontein Broken Road. Mia doesn't care about the water. Lekker swem jy? Okay, bly daar Mia. Alright. Get this one in. Ga ek hier al ver agter. Lekker diep. Hierdie stokkie gooi baie lekker. Swim hier lekker Mia. Here we go. Woohoo! Patience, hey, patience. Woohoo! On, come. Yeah, I lost 2 fish. This is the 3rd one. Oh man, this is what fishing is about. Even if you lose a couple of fish, it doesn't matter. Even if you catch nothing the whole day, doesn't matter. Just being here and enjoying this. This is what it's all about. It's a galjoen. That's it, brother. Small one. Oh, small gully. Tag the galjoen quickly. So here's your applicator that we're going to use with a number. We send all the info to Ori. Thank you Fish SA for this. Of course, my measure tape is right here by me all the time. This is so awesome. Let's open it up. Hiding away here. Look at this product from Fish SA. Measure tape is right here. Let's get the gully. Get the measurement quickly. Okay, so we've got a fork length of 31, total length of 33. There we go. Okay. There we go. Fish is tagged. Now we can get him back. Mwah. Okay, this is just for my international viewers. This is called a galjoen. It's our national fish of South Africa. We're allowed to keep 2 fish per day, but they must be 35 centimeters and bigger. This one is a total length of 33 centimeters, so I'm getting back quickly. So yeah, I've got a request on my comments just to name the fish. So yeah, this is our fish, our national fish of South Africa, the galjoen. Let's get him back. Okay, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Stay fish, stay fish, stay fish. Oh, no way they're gonna get that fish. Julle kan wel kom. Julle kan wel kom, is weg. We're just filling the fork length was 31 centimeters, total of 33 centimeters. It's a galjoen. Strandfontein. Okay, and then this information I will send to Ori and they will put it on their database. Ah, vars water, dankie Minkie. Goeiemôre Minkie. Is dit breakfast tyd? Waar is mama en Mia nog in die bakkie? Lyk my hulle slaap nog. Mevrou van der Merwe. Hoe gaan dit hierso? Het jy al 'n tweede koppie koffie in? Ja. Lekker. Doggy treats. Daai. Seuns, kom. Wat mooi. Lunchtyd. Lunchtyd. Wat mooi, né? Wat mooi. Kom.
Kom julle.
Kom haal julle brood.
Papa moenie gooi nie, hulle gaan dit nie af. Kan af, nie dankie.
Kijk hoe staan hy. Kom. Kijk daar so, hier bring hulle vir jou tyre. Hier kom hy, Melissa, as hy het sien. Hy het nog nie sien nie. Waar is die tyre? Waar is die tyre? Wow! Ah, is die ou nou. Ja, los het daar. Ah, het Melissa nou vir my tyre. Simba! Hy staan voor my tyre. Okay, so we've come to the end of another episode, and this is how you end off a fishing session. Ja nee, also lekker om my staan. This is how you end off a session.